The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit. The opposition spokesman on health and wellness, Dr. Maurice Guy, is calling for an urgent investigation into the procurement and distribution of counterfeit 3M standard personal protective equipment (PPE) by the Ministry of Health. He says it is determined that this procurement is not of the requisite standard and are classified as fake PPEs by healthcare workers and professionals. In a statement this morning, Dr. Guy called for the immediate withdrawal of the substandard PPE to hospitals and other health staff, as 3M has published a counterfeit notice saying it has been receiving reports of fraud related to its respirators N95 masks. He added that 3M is now working with international law enforcement to get the counterfeit N95 masks removed from the market. Dr. Guy said the Integrity Commission should immediately investigate and identify the source of the fraudulent supply to the government of Jamaica, as 2 of the fake batch codes have been recognized among the purchases by the government. He said these fake masks, which are defective, have been issued to hospitals and operating theatre staff since last weekend. The opposition spokesman said staff at the Kingston Public Hospital KPH and the Bustamante Hospital for Children were also supplied on Sunday and Monday. They are among health staff who have been given the fake products and are now upset as they have been exposed without proper protection. Therefore, he says he's calling on the ministry to immediately tighten up its activities to ensure that staff is fully protected in an environment of scarce or dwindling supplies of specialized gears. He says procurement administration must also ensure no repetition of this episode, especially during the continuous pandemic when many fake sources are in the market to exploit this situation. To read the full release, visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.